Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to beat the Tree Sentinel at the beginning of the game. There you can see him over there walking along, and at the beginning if you try to go and fight this thing you will just get demolished. He is pretty powerful as far as early game monsters go, or bosses. He's not really a boss, but he's a more specific enemy, one that doesn't respawn after you kill him. And you can see what I have here. You can see what level I am. A little bit higher level. I've leveled up a lot before I've come over here. I have the lance talisman and the turtle talisman. And again, it's right here at the beginning of the game, at the first step, and he's going to be just right north of that. So let's go ahead and get after it. Now, for this boss, I find it's easier to do it on horseback, and also just to be pretty aggressive with him. Just go right into him. I got my bloodhound fang sword. Just go right into him and just target him. And just try to stay as close to his back as possible, riding in a circle, swing around. And you're trying to make sure that he doesn't get off any of his special attacks. So this is what I find works for me, is just keep riding around him in a circle. Kind of, I don't know if it really confuses him or not, but kind of seems like it does. And just keep riding around in the circle and swinging away as much as possible. It helps to have higher stamina, and then eventually you should be able to get him. And there you go. And then you'll get the golden halberd, which is a decent weapon. Now you know how to beat the Tree Sentinel. Let me know in the comments if this strategy worked for you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for other Elden Ring videos and other videos. Take care. Happy gaming, everyone.